Hey Aptera fans, Steve here. We've accomplished a tremendous amount over the last few months as a team, and we're excited to share some major updates with you. Just last month, Aptera began trading on Nasdaq under the ticker SEV, and since then, we've expanded our team across engineering, operations, and manufacturing. Their energy has already made a meaningful impact on our progress. I'd love for a few of them to introduce themselves.
You should go first. My name is Cheryl Grant. I'm the Director of Supply Chain here at Aptera.
My name is Charles Custon. I'm an embedded software engineer.
My name is Sandra, and I do shipping and receiving.
I'm Tice. I'm an automotive build technician and a 3D scan specialist.
I'm Ganesh Raipreddy. I'm a firmware engineer.
Sorry. I almost said Jonathan. I'm like, I'm not Jonathan, I'm John here. I'm John Schleif. I've been hired to be an automotive build technician.
My name's Blake. I'm an electrical engineer.
I'm Leon Kaunitz. I'm responsible for engineering.
Fantastic.
The facility is buzzing with activity. We've begun the build-out of our validation vehicle assembly line, and the team is actively preparing, constructing, and kitting out each station. We're currently getting ready to operate a multi-step line. The parts will enter on the receiving side of the building, get put into inventory, and individual stations will then be kitted for the day. We've set up the vehicle assembly line to operate as a normal vehicle manufacturing line with progressive installation of the different vehicle systems on each station. Inside our manufacturing facility, we've set up the solar assembly area as well as a battery assembly station. We have technicians here on the floor with us that have years of experience assembling carbon fiber body structures, and they are training our technicians on bonding and assembling the Aptera bodies. At the heart of this new setup is a large-scale precision assembly fixture that allows our body in carbon, BINC, to be built with high-dimensional accuracy. We expect this feature to increase the build throughput, assist with consistency, and establish a strong technical baseline, all very important steps we need to validate to get to a repeatable, low-volume assembly process, subject to ongoing validation. It's a major step forward from the original hand-assembled approach we used on the BINC for the first 3 validation vehicles. With this new fixture, we can now assemble BINCs with a far greater repeatability and tighter control over final geometry. As you're seeing here, this fixture locates and locks each major composite section into consistent alignment, allowing the team to bond and assemble the body with greater accuracy. We've successfully completed multiple builds using this process, and each build continues to provide necessary input to refine our processes and to increase the build efficiency. We've received a number of frames. They are robust and optimized for weight and strength. As you see here, the manufacturing precision is outstanding. During validation, we'll be evaluating their durability and exploring whether further optimization is possible before we finalize our low-volume production plan. Meanwhile, our partners at CTNS are on-site building battery modules, and these modules look fantastic. Precise frames, clean internal layouts, and fully assembled units that are ready for integration into completed subsystems. And this was another important step for us. This is the first time that CTNS has assembled battery modules here on site for use in our own validation vehicles. Watching these modules come together in our facility has been a major moment for the program. Every day, more parts are arriving for the next set of validation vehicles. These vehicles are planned to support a wide range of important activities, including performance and systems functionality, prove-out and validation assessments, manufacturing validation, and build efficiency improvements, and various other testing activities. These systems we're putting in place today, and the team that we're building around them, represent significant steps in our validation program. By validating each assembly stage now, we're collecting real-world data that we expect will help us optimize the assembly line layout, line balancing, and workflow efficiency as we move forward. Over the past several weeks, our engineers have also been conducting internal efficiency evaluations with Gemini, which is our 3rd production intent vehicle. We drove the vehicle through a combined drive cycle consisting of both high-speed sections, lower speed, and stop-and-go urban segments. Preliminary internal evaluations were encouraging. We look forward to conducting more formal testing soon in preparation for applicable regulatory testing and certification processes. We're eager to share even more next month as these systems continue to come alive and as validation vehicles make their way through the line. Until then,